Just a few short weeks ago, we were here with a dilemma for our staircase, and we solved it, and we came up with a fantastic solution to transform these staircases that were previously dark because the floors were dark. Now we changed our floors to be a nice light blonde natural wood, and what we did was we had to coordinate our staircase to match because our previous staircase was a dark brown. So what we did was we had the staircase and our stringers sanded down, we restained them to match. Now, because it was going to be too complicated to do the same thing with our handrails and our posts as well as our pickets, we decided to paint our handrails, our posts in one color and our pickets all in white, so it gives the space a really fresh feel. It really refreshes the staircase without having to rip everything out and start from scratch, and just gives this space a brand new life.